Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you what I found for my Cupra Formentor 2022. I found these paddle shifter extensions, and this description they call it Pallets Exchange Paddle for Cupra Formentor Leon Ateca 2020 Silver. These are the photos, and this is the item description, and they fit to other Cupra models: Cupra Formentor, Leon 6F, Tourer, Sportivo, Leon 6F, and Ateca. They cost €61.41, and with the shipment you have to add another €590. So this is the seller that sold me this, and I got them pretty fast. And let's see how this will look on my Formentor, if they fit properly. They come in different colors. They come in black, red, silver. I would have preferred some gray machine color to match the interior of the Cupra. They're also, you might gonna find it on Alibaba Express, you're gonna find them with copper color, but I wasn't sure if the copper will match the copper color that's on the vehicle already. They also come in different materials. You can get them in carbon fiber, but I personally prefer aluminum because I like the way how they feel when you touch them with your bare hands. Now let's check the product. I was just saying that I'm pretty pleased with the shipment. Came in really fast. I have this Allen key and 3 screws. I guess there's an extra. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, they're absolutely massive. Look at my hand. Wow. They look really good. Let's measure them, so that you have an idea how big they are. What? 17.5 by 5.5. Oh, look at this. They're massive. Okay, let's try them on. So let me explain you how it works. You see this extension has 2 lips on the side, one here and one here. This will have to go over your car paddle shifter. Then you have this screw, you just put it in here. But do not tighten at this point because you have to extend this. See, it's cut right here, so you can extend it first, put it over the paddle shifter, and then you can tighten this. You're gonna hear a click once you're gonna put it over your paddle shifter. You're gonna hear a click. You adjust it to the top and bottom, and then you can tighten the screw. So I'm gonna put it over, open it a little bit. Hear that noise? And that's it. All line up. That's a perfect fitment. Just a tiny bit low. That's it. Now I have these 2 lips on top of the paddle shifter. Now I can tighten the bolt. Just use your hand, you don't need any tools for this installation. Looks pretty good. Those are massive. Look at that. Without and with. I'm really pleased with the product. I was worried that they might gonna interfere with the screen, but they don't. Pretty massive. Look at this. Beautiful.